Hello, my name is Caitlin and welcome to Country Kitchen SweetArt's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make these delicious chocolate truffles flavored with a vanilla-infused chai spice. Let's get started. The candy center recipe used for this truffle comes from the Complete Photo Guide to Candy Making by Autumn Carpenter. This book also includes recipes and helpful tips for making dipped treats, fudge, caramel, hard candy, marshmallows, and more. To make these truffles, you will need real white chocolate candy coating, a candy mold, squeeze bottle, your desired flavor, and a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. Start by adding 1 pound of the real white chocolate to a bowl. You can use the entire bag, or if you have a larger amount or partial bags, use a food scale to measure 1 pound of this chocolate. Cut 1 tablespoon from a stick of unsalted butter and add it to the bowl of chocolate. Measure 3/4 to 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. This amount will depend on the consistency you want for your candy center. More heavy cream will result in a thinner and more runny candy center. I used 1 cup of heavy cream for 16 ounces of chocolate. Add the cream to a bowl, then add about 1 teaspoon of corn syrup. Microwave the heavy cream mixture in the microwave for 40 seconds, then stir and heat for another 40 seconds. Be sure to keep a close eye on this mixture in the microwave as it begins to boil. If it boils for too long, it will boil over the edge of the bowl. Once your mixture has been heated, stir to ensure the corn syrup is combined and pour over your chocolate. Press the chocolate pieces down so the hot cream mixture is covering most or all of the chocolate and allow it to set for 2 minutes to begin melting the chocolate. Use a whisk to blend these ingredients together. If there are some lumps of chocolate in your candy center, microwave for 20 seconds and stir. Repeat these steps until your ganache center is smooth and shiny. Add your flavoring to the ganache mixture, starting with a small amount. I will be using this vanilla-infused chai spice blend to flavor my candy center. Taste the candy center and add more flavoring if needed. I added 2 tablespoons of this chai spice to my candy center. Set this aside to cool while we make the chocolate shells. Start by melting 1 pound of white chocolate candy coating in the microwave using 30-second intervals, making sure to stir the chocolate between each interval. This method will allow you to evenly distribute the heated and melted chocolate, ensuring the chocolate does not burn. Once the chocolate is melted, pour it into a squeeze bottle. Fill each cavity of your desired mold full with this melted chocolate. Tap the mold on the counter to release any air bubbles. You can check the underside of the mold to make sure there are no bubbles. Then, invert the mold over a parchment-lined baking sheet and gently shake to remove the excess chocolate. Use a bench scraper to scrape across the top of the mold and remove excess chocolate from around the edge of each cavity. Place this mold in the refrigerator for 5 minutes to allow the shells to harden. While the shells are setting up, fill a large tipless bag with your cold candy center and secure the end of the bag with a twist tie. Once the chocolate has set, fill each cavity with your candy center, making sure to leave some room for more chocolate. Use the remaining chocolate in your squeeze bottle, heating for 20 seconds in the microwave if needed, to fill the remaining space on each cavity. This will seal the candy center to make a full chocolate shell. Gently tap the mold on the counter to spread the chocolate to the edge of the cavity. Use the tip of the squeeze bottle to help fill the empty spaces, adding more chocolate if needed. Place the mold in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the chocolate to set up completely. Then invert the mold over your work surface and tap to remove the chocolate pieces. Decorate these chocolate truffles by drizzling with white chocolate over the candy and sprinkle with more chai spice or your desired color of sprinkles. Store these chai-flavored white chocolate truffles in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. Thank you for watching our video until the end. Be sure to stick around so you know where to find all the products that we used in this video and how to stay connected with us. To find the products used in this video, scroll down to the description and click on the link. That link will take you to our website, and below the photo you will find all the products used to make these truffles. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated on our newest products and our sales, and to meet our staff. If you would like to see more videos like this one, check out our chocolate candy coating desserts playlist on our channel. Be sure to leave us a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video and what kinds of videos you would like to see next. Be sure to catch our next video showing you how to make these adorable chocolate truffles. See you next time!